Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change the time in your Prius Prime. All right, so you've probably started out by looking here at one of the 27 buttons that are near your steering column, and it's not here. You're actually going to go over here to change your time. And what you're going to be doing is hitting the little gear icon down here. And you're going to go into General. And from General, you're going to go into Date and Time. Now I have it set up already so it's the daylight savings time switches on and it sets the time automatically. And so I don't need to do anything. My time will change on its own. If you need to change your time, your settings will probably look like this, and you'll need to set your time manually. And so it's as easy as that. You just touch the arrows up and down to change it, and then you just hit OK. Now you can set it to 24-hour time if you like that. So I just have it like that. I'll turn my daylight savings buttons back on and my set time automatically, and I'm good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to change it if your car is hooked up to Apple CarPlay. All right, so you're looking for this screen. Your screen might look a little bit different. You'll have different icons and you might have a different background, but we're looking for the Toyota icon. So we're going to click on that, and then you're going to find General right down here. Click on that, and here it says Date and Time. And now we're back to the same screen that I showed you in the beginning. Now if you want to change this blue background to something else, you'll just hit this button right here, and then this screen will come up, and you're looking for Wallpaper. So you'll click on Wallpaper, and these will be your choices, and you can decide from these colors or hit the arrows and choose from these. So I really love blue, so I'm going to choose blue, and then I'll hit set. And now my background is blue. Hey, thanks for watching my video on changing the time on your Prius Prime. If it was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you again soon on Tinagirl Life.